Welcome to Tatum Talk. Today I want to tell you about an epiphany I had yesterday. And this is beneficial for you. If you were thinking about buying a new car, you need to know this information. If you're looking for the best place, you should look for that new job. What sector is going to be growing that you could get a good union paying job in, you need to watch this video. And also, if you're looking for your next investment, the next stock that's going to be booming, all of this is related. I see you don't do that. Don't you click off this channel. You ain't gonna want to miss this information. This is life-changing, honey. Now, this is not my normal area of topic. This channel is not about finance, and I'm not giving you financial information. However, normally I talk about my journey. I talk about the things that I'm doing to further myself along after I made a mistake and went left and got incarcerated. So now, getting everything back on track, I talk about the things in my life that I'm doing and how I'm progressing and how I'm moving forward. This year is about financial literacy, and I'm learning more about options trading, about choosing stocks, about reading stock charts, all of that kind of stuff. And so that's why I'm on this topic, because I had this epiphany and I wanted to share it with y'all. I know that a lot of y'all out there watch my channel, and I get your comments, and I see that a lot of you say, I have the same issue that you have. Oh my God, I have a felony. I'm looking for an apartment too. Oh my God, I'm trying to get this professional license with a felony also. I know a lot of you out there had a mistake in life and you're trying to get back on track, and that's okay. What we need is shortcuts. This information is something that could shortcut you to the journey ahead, to where all those years that you messed up on, and you wasn't saving for retirement, and you was messing up money, hanging out, or whatever it was you was doing, you could recoup all that money. With this information, you can actually make decades of income within 1 year. This is why you need to stay here till the end. Pick up what I'm putting down. So I heard someone say there's going to be big changes at the pump. I listened because I recall my gas station attendant told me that they were going to be switching out the pumps in the next 2 to 3 months. He told me that last month. We're in May. He told me that in April. Then I see the gas station right by me has all 6 pumps out of service all week long.
What the hell did you just say?
Now, why would they do that? I mean, that means they're not making any money, right? For a whole week. This is it. This is the change that's going down. It's electric vehicle charges. It says that half the vehicles sold in the U.S. will be electric or plug-in hybrids by 2030. That's only 8 years away. This is Volvo's page. The future is electric. By 2025, 50% of Volvo's cars will be electric. Starbucks and Volvo have partnered together to put these charge stations up, y'all. They are doing this from Seattle to Denver, and construction starts this summer. This is the part that's important. Who is supplying them? 60 charge point DC fast chargers. Now, pay attention. Charge Point. I'm about to show you this name again. The 10 best charging station stocks to watch in 2022. Who's at the top of the list? Charge Point. So for people looking for the next investment that you should keep your eyes on, this is not financial advice. This is just a reference as to what you should notice and keep your eyes on. Do your own research. Read for yourself. Come to your own conclusions. I'm just pointing you in the right direction. Charge Point is at the top of this list. Now, this is from the White House. Those of you looking for where you should get training and what kind of jobs are going to be in the future, charger installation, maintenance, good paying union jobs right here in America that cannot be outsourced. This is where you should be looking at. I don't know how much it's going to pay, but it's going to be a definite need for it. There are so many more electric cars out. I haven't even noticed until I started researching for this video. Look at this BMW i4. Isn't it gorgeous? There's way more cars around to choose from than just Teslas. This is a Hyundai. This is a Kia EV6. The Lucid Air Vault. This is a Ford F-150 Lightning. This is a Volkswagen. This is a Ford also, a Mustang. Even Hummer has an electric truck. And there's more. There's about 20 more at least on the market, maybe even more than that. If you are looking to get your next vehicle, I think you need to be open to an electric one. Okay, the reason why I'm pointing all of this out is because this you can liken to the time in history like 1859 when they first discovered oil here in the US. That was in Pennsylvania. Lots of people got rich after they discovered this oil. Rockefeller and his whole clan are one of the top ones that started an oil company and profited since then. So this time in history is never going to happen again. This change from oil over to electric. If you are paying attention, put your money in the right place, you could create this generational wealth for you and your family also. So they are making charging pads now. The same way you lay your phone down and put your phone on a wireless charger, they're gonna have this for cars. And right now, Volvo is testing it out. BMW is testing their own technology. And this is the company that's at the forefront. They're called Plugless, the only company offering wireless charging for many of the EVs on the road today. I've already Googled them. They are a private company, but you just need to keep them in mind. Pluglesspower.com for when they go public. Probably widely needed, in demand, something that you want to know about. So much money could be made right now. So much money in the next 12 months, the next year, the next 2 years or so. The changes are right around us, right under our nose. So much information comes to us every single day though, and we're used to blocking stuff out. You have to keep your eyes wide open so you don't miss out. I don't know about you, but I missed out on a lot of things. There's so many things that happened that I'm like, dang, if only I would have known about that. Look, I ain't trying to tell you what to do. I'm just trying to point you in the right direction of where you should be paying attention at, okay? Don't miss out on this. Good talk. Please hit like or hit share if you found this information useful.